Now let us try to understand quickly types of bond. Okay, types of bond or bonding. Yeah. Now the bonding that depends on the element. For example, if you have a bond between uh, electro electropositive metal and or element, okay, it can be element, you can write in a better way electropositive element and an electronegative element. Okay, such type of bonding between these two, they are more of ionic type. So this type of bonding will give ionic bonding because there is a huge difference between the electronegativity of elements. So they will give ionic bonding. Now consider second case. In second case, if we have electronegative element, okay, which is making bond with another electronegative element. Now here two or more electronegative elements, they will form a kind of covalent bond. That means neither will lose electron, neither will gain electron. So here the electronegativity difference is less. So that electron between the bonds will not go with the other element. Okay, it will be in between, somewhat like in between. Now in third case, it's kind of you can consider electropositive element. For example, metals. Okay, you can consider metals in electropositive element. Okay, if two electropositive elements you have, this kind of element or this kind of bonding will can you can say as metallic bonding. Okay, so these are three types of bonding. Mainly, your types of bondings are divided into three categories. Okay, these are the main categories. That is ionic bonding. First one, second is covalent, and third one is metallic bonding. Now, in this case, even if you take ionic bonding, there is it's not 100% ionic bonding. Sometimes it has some covalent character. Similarly, here in covalent also you have a slightly ionic character also. It is not 100% pure covalent bond. That depends on the electronegativity difference. If the electronegativity difference is large, very large, then it can have you can have ionic bonding. If electronegativity difference is not high, it is somewhat similar, then you will get covalent bonding. And if you have electropositive elements, this type of elements will not make bond like metallic bond. But